Yippee! Let's go to the zoo!
Tony, did you get everything we need?
Of course! Lunch boxes for us and my camera! I am all ready!
Great! Shall we go?
Okay,
let's go!
Huh? Why aren't you starting your engine?
I think you forgot something. Are you ready to go? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? What do you do when you get in the car? Oh, you should buckle up first.
I was so excited that I forgot to do it!
I don't like seatbelts.
The car is driving on the road. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
The car is driving on the road. Zoom, 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 zoom.
Ouch! Ow, my head!
Tony, buckle up! You could get hurt!
The car is driving by the beach. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
The car is driving by the beach. Vroom, 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 vroom.
That was close! The car is driving through the woods. Rattle, rattle. Rattle, rattle.
The car is driving through the woods. Rattle, 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 rattle.
Ah!
Is everybody okay?
Yeah, we're wearing our seatbelts.
The car is driving on the winding road. Left and right. Left and right.
The car is driving on the winding road. Left, right, left, and right.
The seatbelts keep us safe. Let's all buckle up to be safe. Click, click, click. Click, click, click. What do we do when we get in the car? Oh, let's all buckle up first.
Look! I see the zoo over there! I'm so excited!
Tony, which animal do you want to see first?
How about the elephants?